Hi everyone, welcome to the official AlgoRobots channel. Today we're taking our MACD strategy to the next level. This is MACD Volume 2, an improved and optimized version of the system we built in our previous video. We're not changing what works, we're making it smarter, more precise, and more consistent. Let's get started. In this video we'll analyze the latest trade generated by MACD Strategy version 1, breaking down its real limitations and what actually happened in live conditions. Based on this analysis, we introduce MACD Strategy version 2 with new features and logical improvements specifically designed to enhance the quality of our trades. We can see in the signals section that a buy signal was generated on January 12th at a price of 140.04. Then, on January 13th, a sell signal was triggered at 141.82. Keep in mind that we're working with a position size of 0.1 on the SOL-USDT pair. From here, we'll start by marking the entry and exit directly on TradingView. As you can see, this trade resulted in a 1.26% profit. After subtracting 0.15% in Binance fees, configured to be paid using BNB, the final result is a net profit of 1.15%. When I first opened TradingView, the bot had already executed this buy order. As the market continued to move in a clear uptrend, it felt unusual that the strategy didn't close the position in this area, where it could have captured between 2 and 3% in profit based on the zone highlighted on the chart. After that, the market started to move lower, even dropping below our entry price, which exposed us to a maximum potential loss of 1.6%. Fortunately, the market rebounded, allowing us to secure a clean exit. Clearly marked by the sell signal on the chart, MACD Strategy version 1 was running on the SOL-USDT pair using the configuration shown in the settings panel. Specifically, this setup included the MACD zone filter and the EMA filter. The MACD zone filter is based on MACD crossovers, ensuring that buy signals are only generated below the zero line, and sell signals are only generated above the zero line. On the other hand, the EMA filter restricts signal generation so that buy signals are only allowed when price is above the 200-period EMA, and sell signals are only allowed when price is below the 200-period EMA. Next, I want to highlight what I believe is the first logical issue related to the EMA filter. As you can see, a valid MACD crossover occurs within the area marked as ideal for a sell signal. However, no sell signal is generated. This happens because in version 1, the EMA filter used a price lookback of 26 bars. At the moment of the crossover, the candle from 26 bars ago was not above the 200-period EMA, which invalidated what could have been a very strong sell signal. Because of this, we decided to start developing MACD Strategy version 2. I'll enable it now to explain the changes made to the EMA filter. In version 2, the price lookback is now separated for buy and sell signals, and we've also added a trend confirmation percentage as an additional validation filter. Now, we'll move to the strategy settings and reduce the trend confirmation percentage to 80%. As you can see, a sell signal is now generated exactly in the area highlighted as optimal for taking profits. With the price lookback for sell set to 26 and the confirmation level at 80%, this means that at least 20 out of 26 bars must be above the EMA filter to allow the sell signal to be generated. The most important improvement in the logic is that we no longer evaluate a single point in time, meaning how price behaved a fixed number of bars ago. Instead, we now validate that price has been consistently above or below the EMA during the last 26 periods, which results in stronger confirmations and more reliable signals. Now, let's introduce a new filter called the EMA Distance Filter. This filter requires a minimum distance between price and the EMA before executing a signal, preventing entries when price is too close to the EMA. It can be configured independently for buy and sell signals. Using the last trade as an example, we can see that the sell signal was generated when price was only around 0.5% away from the EMA filter. By enabling this new filter and requiring price to be at least 1% away from the EMA, we can avoid premature exits and obtain cleaner and more reliable sell signals. Finally, we added a simple take profit and stop loss system, designed to improve risk management when using this indicator. A take profit defines the level where a trade is automatically closed once a target profit has been reached. A stop loss, on the other hand, limits the maximum loss, protecting your capital when the market moves against your position. In this version, we chose a percentage-based take profit and stop loss, making the strategy easy to configure and consistent across different markets. We'll now leave MACD Strategy version 2 running live directly on the AlgoRobots platform, where you can copy trade the strategy in real time. We'll also be sharing trade analysis and updates through our Telegram channel, so make sure to join the channel and stay up to date. Don't forget to take advantage of the 7-day free trial, completely free of charge. Once you subscribe, you'll unlock the option on each robot to download the source code, allowing you to use the indicator across different trading pairs, time frames, and custom parameters. We also invite you to be part of our Telegram community, where you can request more updates, new indicators, and future trading strategies. Your feedback helps shape what we build next. Have a question? Leave it in the comments below. If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.